FarmChem offers multiple options to help you help your customers get the right DEF pump kit for their DEF cage tote. Regardless of what your customer desires, we offer complete customized DEF pump kits to get them what they need. Choose between 12 volt or 110 volt pumps, multiple different discharge nozzles, different lengths of discharge hose, or hose reel. Our first option is what we refer to as a DEF tote pump kit, which is a pump kit that hangs on the side of a DEF tote. These pump kits come standard with an adjustable stainless steel bracket, a 12 volt or 110 volt pump, your choice of polymanual nozzle, hybrid nozzle, or stainless steel automatic shutoff nozzle, 20 feet of discharge hose, and a stainless steel closed system coupler. FarmChem uses SureFlow self-priming pumps on our John Deere DEF pump kits. These pumps come with an industry-leading 5-year warranty and are rated for 7 to 9 gallons per minute. FarmChem's DEF tote plate kit option offers a complete setup using a plate that mounts on top of a tote. These systems come with a mounting plate and nozzle holster, a pump, a 50-foot stainless steel hose reel, a poly dispense coupler, and a hybrid or premium discharge nozzle. Make FarmChem your one-stop shop for your DEF equipment needs and let us help you grow your bulk DEF business. Order tote pump kits or other DEF equipment on jddef.com, on JD Point, or by calling our FarmChem John Deere line at 855-453-4333. For more information, you can visit our Dealer Resource Center in the Bulk DEF booth and download additional material.